Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest productivity systems and tools to help you achieve your goals. Today, we're going to explore a crucial aspect of personal development, tracking habits. With the right approach, you can transform your daily routine, increase motivation, and boost overall well-being. Tracking habits has become a trending topic in 2026, with numerous apps and methods emerging to help individuals monitor and improve their daily routines. But which ones are worth trying, and why do they work? Let's start by understanding the science behind habit formation. According to research, it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit, but only 21% of people stick to it. This is because old habits are hard to break, and new ones require consistent effort and motivation. To overcome this challenge, we need a system that makes tracking habits easy, accessible, and engaging. One of the most popular methods is the Don't Break the Chain technique, developed by Steve